Hello, I'm Smithy, and that was the Contiki. Hello Benji. George is on heat, so we've had to leave her. She's in a cage at the minute, but when I take Benji out she can venture out all the time, so we've been for a walk, haven't we? Have we been for a walk? So we're setting the telescope up because it's a clear night tonight, so it'd be rude not to have a look at what's going on. Now you know why I put posts on social media as to what astrological events are going on that night. I brought the granddaughter here one day and we were going to watch the Perseid meteor shower, I think, last year, and I had to pay her to come. McDonald's. That video's there somewhere. Anyway, we've got a couple of stickers, so I am sending stickers out that people that have asked me for them. But it's costing me about £10 for every 10 in stamps, the cost of the sticker. The envelopes in either any of there. We've got a couple, hitch up and toe, so that'll be going on the sticker wall. I'll show you that shortly. What's this one? 2 Northerners on tour. See that? So they're going on the wall. Hitch up and toe, thank you very much for supporting our channel from Mark and Coral. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. No problem, that's fine. Right, well, I'll keep them. I've just been sending sticker in an envelope. Anyway, so if you ever see me, I'll give you a sticker for free. They're free anyway. You know, I'll give you a sticker. You'll know it's me because on the back of my van is one of them. And yeah, just ask. You know, you can have a sticker or a couple if you want. And but I don't mind sending them out. But if anybody else wants one, apart from the people that have already asked me, because there was a lot. You know, every 10 is costing me a tenner really. And I'll give you an address and just send a stamped addressed envelope, and I'll send you a sticker out. But it's a fairer way of doing it really, then I don't have to keep paying out. So just bear with me, the people that have asked me, you will get them. It's just I can't send them all at once. I got nearly 100 stickers asked for. I thought I'd be sending about 5. Anyway, let's see what we got. Car's coming. I'm not bothered. Manual coffee grinder. Everything's got tape on. If you don't want to get in it. Not read instructions. Ah, that's nice, is that? Little knob for the top. Oh, it's the handle, that. Let's have a look. Like £12 on Amazon. I thought that was wood, and it's not. No knobs for the drawer. Is there? No. I'll build it up and have a look. There probably is a knob somewhere. And we'll make a coffee after. There. Standard Amazon box. What are you doing, Benji? Right, we'll go and make a coffee and well, I'll put it together first, see if it works. I'll put these stickers up. See you in a bit. There you go, hitch up and tow. Two northerners on tour. I've started to overlap them slightly because the sticker wall is getting a bit full up, so we're not going to get any room for any more if I don't overlap them a bit. There you go. I've got my grinder. There was a little thing for the drawer in the box. Just there. So that was my fault for not looking properly. So we're going to have a coffee. It's Father's Day the other day. Dad joke coming up, or dad joke loading. You cheeky, John. My jokes are instantaneous. So that's the view for the coffee. Have a look. Now then, tell you what, it's so hot today, it's unbelievable. The heat. Had to move from where I was before. This is another day, by the way. We've had a few family problems, so it's you know, such is life. Anyway, I do listen to subscribers. Look, put pegs on the old. Don't bother with that. I got that one for Sue. It's like if PG tips is the tips of the tee. That's like the outer edge of the field. You know. I suppose it's all right to make a Costa coffee, but it's, yeah, it's not my cup of tea. Coffee. So we're going to try this, right? Colombian roast coffee beans, but it's got a bit of a twist. It's a sweet and fruity with a caramel. Sorry, let's start again now. Sweet and fruity with a rich caramel finish. 100% Arabica beans. 4 medium dark roast. Right. I'm glad that doesn't say 4 beans. So they've looked all around Colombia and they've found this in the foothills of the Andes. Right, the foothills of the Andes. To Lancashire. Oh, that smells nice. That's nice, is that? Right, let's get a few in here. So we've had a bit of a barbecue at my mother's, and I'll show you now Susie's tips for a barbie. It's in my mother's garden. She's the woman that I asked, can I park my caravan there? A lot of cyclists round here with this weather. I said to her, can I park my caravan in your drive? It'll only be for a couple of weeks. It's been there about 5 years now. What are we all doing?
Cutting tomatoes.
Cutting tomatoes. What are you doing, Susie?
Buttering buns, which I can't understand why you never got them already cut.
I didn't know they weren't cut. So what we're doing at my mother's now then?
Having a barbie.
Having a barbie at front garden. Right, so have you got a special technique for slicing?
No, you just cut it.
You're saying that with a Yorkshire accent.
you just cut it.
Right. What is any technique in slicing the bun, Susie?
Yeah, you've got to get it at an angle or else they'll just fall apart because you got cheapos, because that's what you like.
Listen. Oh, we're dropping them. There we go. I could do it being level. Let's have a look. A little. Oh, look at that. Can you see? Right, let's get that in the old thing and we'll make a brew. We'll have it in my dad cup. And then I can tell you what it tastes like. What a setting, eh? It's amazing. Now you know why I like the outdoors so much. So we've already got water in there. I'll cut some of this out so you'll just see it boiling. I know you don't want to watch water boil. This probably won't light unless I get a lighter. Oh, it did. Bloody hell. I thought it'd have put the gas out, but it didn't. I haven't cooked on there with a brew before. But I have a better way of cooking coming up soon. You'll see that. How can you beat that? Making a cup of coffee. And that's your view. Now you know why I like the outdoors so much. I love it. You have to stay here forever, me. If you could just go to your bank, right, draw some money out, just buy that spot where my van is now, that'd do me, that'd be it. It's not a lot to ask, is it? Well, that boiled pretty quick, didn't it? That boiled pretty quick, didn't it? Got bad eyes at the minute. I have a B12 injection every 3 months. At the start of this lockdown they stopped doing it and gave you a pill. It was a slow release pill for a bloke that's had half his stomach removed, but it didn't work, so they've changed it. Anyway, I'm hoping to have it 1st of July, so, and they're gonna, there's probably some other vitamin that I'm lacking as to why I look like I've got black eyes all the time. Anyway, let's try this coffee. Oh. So you know me and coffee whitener, I don't have black coffee. We're still on Asda's own homemade coffee whitener at the minute. And it's comparable to Coffee Mate, to be fair, it's alright. The only thing is now, I've told you before, that's boiling water in there, so it's going to take a while. So I'll let it cool down and I'll come back. And at the end of this video, I might just show you a few aerial shots of that park up that I keep going to at Bulbeck at Caton, on the way to Kirby Lonsdale. It's got packed out before, so I just moved, but it's not fair just for me to take a whole bench up when there's families there that want to play and sit around, so that's why I moved. But anyway, there you go. And I'll show you the dogs at the end as well. We've had to keep them separate because George is on heat. She's finished now, so we can take them out together again. We bought her a new harness because she's been jumping out of the one. I'll show you. Got her a new harness, so I'm hoping That keeps her in. It is quite tight round her, or you can make it tight, not too tight obviously, but anyway, the one I've got, she kept getting out of it, so. And she's a frightened dog for some reason. If she gets out of the harness, she just runs off and in a straight, she's gone. You know, I can't keep up with her. So anyway, we'll try her with this one. Oh. Right, let's try this coffee. It's supposed to have a taste of caramel. I have to slurp it because it's red hot. Yeah, good. So hopefully next time you see me, and I've been to the doctors, I might have normal eyes again. I'm hoping. I keep having multivitamin pills, but I don't know whether they're working or not, but anyway. It's age, isn't it? The joys of knocking on. That's not bad, that's not a bad coffee, that. I don't know if it's something I could get used to. You can taste the Arabica beans in it. I mean, obviously I don't know whether I'm doing it right or not. I've never done this before. I just ground it in that manual machine, which is what I wanted. I'm looking at a lot of cows though, I'll show you. Have a look. I don't know whether you could see them on that hillside or not. Anyway. Right, so I'm going to enjoy this coffee. It's just good to finally get out and make another video. Some of my family members could just do not so much luck, just a few prayers would do. And we'll all get through the problems that we're having and all that anyway. From SMITHY'S Kentucky. I'll show you a bit of aerial footage of where I was, and then I'll show you the dogs. And I'll show you a few tips from Susie of barbecuing, because I caught her on my phone's video before, so I'll play about and put that on the video. Anyway, take care, stay safe, and from this beautiful location, I'll see you soon. What are you doing under there, little girl? Eh? In shade? Getting a bit of shade?
Yeah, I prefer I am.
Hey, look at them cooking.